Continuing again with this porocarp of Marsilia, 3 points are to be noted here. One is the wall of this porocarp, which we saw is made up of 3 different layers. Second one is the vascular supply of a sporocarp. And thirdly, the sori of sporocarp. Sori usually contains the spores, mega as well as microspores present in it. Now, to focus on the vascular supply of the sporocarp, this is the longitudinal section of this porocarp showing the vascular supply. The vascular supply here is a closed network kind of in a system. So to make it very simple, we have, though this picture appears a complex one, it is very simple. We have 3 different bundles. One is a dorsal. This will be a dorsal bundle. Here, this single one is a dorsal bundle. This dorsal bundle is going to give rise to lateral bundles. So we have dorsal bundle, we have lateral bundle, and this lateral bundle is again going to divide and form placental bundle. So what 3 bundles present in the vascular system of this porocarp is dorsal bundle, lateral bundle, and placental bundle. Now we will see how exactly one vascular strand is going to give rise to these 3 different bundles. Now the vascular strand enters the sporocarp near this horn region. Through the peduncle, near the horn region, it enters what? Vascular strand. And this vascular strand, it continues forward along the dorsal. This is the dorsal surface, this is the ventral surface. Along the dorsal surface, it continues and it forms a midrib like structure. And this we are going to call it as dorsal bundle. Now this dorsal bundle is going to divide laterally. It is going to divide laterally and form lateral bundle or lateral branches. This lateral branches passes on the 2 sides. This is one side. This lateral branch is here on this side, and another side we are going to break this in the longitudinal. So we have another face here, somewhat like this. So we have, when we are going to break open, it will be like a chickpea like a structure. We have a vascular strand entered through the horny structure. This is the vascular strand. It is going to run along the midrib and form a dorsal bundle. This dorsal bundle is going to divide laterally and form these lateral bundles. These are called as lateral bundle. These lateral bundle are going to eventually pass on 2 sides, here and here, 2 sides of this porocarp. Now these lateral bundles are going to further form a fork-like structure, further division in this lateral bundle, giving the appearance of fork. This division is because in order to supply water, food as well as nutrient to the entire sporocarp. That is the only intention. That's the reason these many divisions are there. First, midrib called as dorsal bundle. This divided laterally in order to reach both the parts of the sporocarp. Sporocarp is somewhat like this. We have divided it longitudinally. Longitudinal division leading to formation of a structure, opening it one, leading to formation of a structure like this. Okay, this dorsal, it divided laterally in order to reach both the sides of this porocarp. Now this lateral one is going to divide further, leading to formation of a fork-like structure. This we are going to call it as placental bundle. From this fork, what arises, this forking leads to formation of a placental bundle. These 2 thread-like structure, can you make out here? These are nothing but placental bundle. These placental bundles, one goes to the dorsal side. We are going to call it as a dorsal placental. Another one reaches the ventral side. So we are going to call it as a ventral placental bundle. What is present in the center of this fork is nothing but sori. These center of the fork contains a round structure. These round structures are nothing but sorae. Sorae contains what? Spores. Now spores are not placed irregularly. They are having a receptacle. On this receptacle, what is present is spores. Now to these receptacles there must be a supply of food as well as nutrient and water. This supply is done by these placental bundles, that is ventral as well as dorsal. These are going to enter these receptacles. Where these receptacles are present? These are present in the sorae. Where sorae is present? In the center of this fork, a round structure called as sorae. Even at this point only these placental bundle are arising and they are reaching the receptacles in order to supply water, food, etc. to them. So this is nothing but a kind of a closed network kind of a vascular supply in case of a sporocarp. This is how its structures looks like. So we have this body of the sporocarp, followed by we have stalk. So the vascular bundle is going to enter through this horny and run along the dorsal side, called as a midrib. This midrib we have got another name as a dorsal bundle. This is going to divide laterally. This is only one view. This is the opened view. This one is the open. It is going to divide laterally. These are called as lateral bundles. These lateral bundles further divide and form a fork-like structure. You can make out here. This fork-like structure has a central spherical round structure, you can call. This is nothing but a sorae. It is going to have spores present in it. At the point of forking, again the lateral bundle is going to divide and form what is called as placental bundle. Now placental bundle which runs along the ventral side, we are going to call it as placental bundle which runs on a ventral side is called as ventral placental bundle, and the placental bundle which runs on the dorsal surface is called as dorsal placental. This is the dorsal one, this is the ventral one. This thread ventral, this is dorsal placental bundle. These dorsal and ventral placental bundle, where they will supply the food and water? Here to the sorae. Sorae contains spores. Spores are attached to the receptacle. Likewise, this is a receptacle. This is present in sorae. From sorae, what arises is dorsal as well as ventral placental bundle. They will be supplying here to the receptacle. They will be supplying food and all. So this is a complex network structure of vascular supply in case of sporocarp. It is very simple. Please go through this video again and check the things. Thank you.